5 majors involved in organizing and execution of the coup were all Igbos.
Yes.
Majors Anufora, Chukwuka, Okafo, Ademoyega, and Ifeajuna.
Ademoyega, is he Igbo?
Ademoyega is from the description.
Is he Igbo?
Simple question.
He is Igbo.
Okay. The Batana from Nigeria.
From please, let me clarify this.
Okay,
let me clarify this.
Please silence.
When this one was depicted, yes, my lord.
Don't mind who put who. You signed it.
Yes.
You are a colonel.
Yes, my lord.
You have read 5 names of military officers.
Yes, my lord.
Did you know them?
Personally, you mean?
As a human being, how did you know them in the
answer.
army?
No.
You know them?
No.
Okay.
You've never met them?
No.
Okay.
Have you ever heard about them?
Yes.
You heard about those 5?
Yes.
And in paragraph 62A of the document you signed as a retired colonel.
Yes, my lord.
You put 5 names.
Yes.
And Ademoyega is an Igbo. Is that correct?
No.
Thank you. Show him Exhibit 9. Have you see Exhibit 9?
Yes, sir.
It was written by Ademoyega.
Adewale Ademoyega.
Was he the same person you put in your exhibit? Do you know?
I believe so, my lord.
You think so?
Yes.
Have you read that book?
No, I did not read this one.
You've never read it. The reason why you put him as Igbo,
yes, my lord,
is to enable you attribute the entire fault,
yes,
to Igbo people. Is that correct?
No, my lord.
Why did you put him as Igbo?
The name Ademoyega as compiled in this thing was presumed Igbo.
Was presumed Igbo. Thank you. Colonel.
Yes, my lord.
Could you tell the panel?
Yes, my lord.
Why Ademoyega,
yes, sir,
a Yoruba man, should be presumed Igbo?
Well, my lord, I believe when this paper was authored, the lists of the names that came in with the belief that they were all Igbos.
The what?
The lists that were enumerated on the belief
that they were Igbos.
That they were Igbos.
Good. Because Igbos were people, those who were writing it operated the coup.
Now, I'm on Unugafugo the kind of video. Do you understand me? Man, the reason this videos you were put because of some of us will be a former woman na talk about on the story or the history sinana. And only utem no sina kandi buy wala apụta. Na ya pụtabero na nke anyị nọ na ya ne. Ụmụnne m na-aga na abụ some of us bidokwe na-achọ ite onye dịka Ojukwu more black. That in ife ọbụ na-emetena nọ ndị Igbo ka a ga-ebere eme na this country m na-aga na abụ nọ. Amarọ na unu afụla edemede Tobe Osigwe dele concerning Ojukwu and the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ebe ọ na-asị that na Ojukwu could have, accepted Gowon's modified Aburi agreement. Do you understand me? Mbịa gụchaa the thing na-ajụ onwe m, does it mean na onye kwụrụzịa na agreement ịma na onye afọ mee mistake? Because I can categorically tell you that no bunu Gowon in Africa now abided by that agreement I found with an Aburi Accord. I am not a problem. No, me, I'm not gonna born today in Nigeria. ama m Ojukwu adịrọ perfect mana malụ na amalụ na ogudumọnụ kpatakịrị na awayo a na-ebure m kwen na ndị Kanu anyị chetakwanụ na nwere ebe ife a niile bidoro mgbe ọ pụtara onye na ndị otu oji egbe ka oji mma kwafara gị ka o ji a na-agbagbusi ndị IPOB de before we read eketa na crisis anyị nọ ya today but today all of us are blaming him chefuzie na ihe niile a nwe Genesis etu akịta ka some of ụmụnne anyị apụtakwa a na-arọbishi onye dịka Ojukwu na-arọbishi a lot of our people n'ọfanwa bụ the problem anyị yacha ndị Yoruba anyị ndị ugwu Hausa abịakwazie n'ala Igbo anyị yakwazie ndị Igbo anyị kwa ifuru ife mere na vidio akịta etu akịta na-aka ndị Igbo anyị kịta si ebremu the war on Ojukwu to the extent na apụtara na-asị mụ na gị na-abụ na ewezuga Nnamdi Kanu agitation na bịa na restructuring of Nigeria no in process according to ife Osigwe na-ede no that agitation be fair interrupt through the whole thing up to today enyego mụ na gị na-abụ that restructuring since afọ ejidere Nnamdi Kanu